မြန်မာနိုင်ငံမှာပထမဦးဆုံးဒီ BDash HND program တွေကိုပထမဦးဆုံး deliver လုပ်ပေးခဲ့တဲ့အဖွဲ့အစည်းတစ်ခုလည်းဖြစ်ပါတယ် British United College ကိုမြန်မာနိုင်ငံမှာ2019ခုနှစ်ကနေစပြီးတော့တည်ထောင်ခဲ့တာဖြစ်တဲ့အတွက်ကိုနှစ်ဝင်းကျင်တိုင်ခဲ့ပါပြီ
We are celebrating our 63 years old at the time, and we are one of the longest standing university in Vietnam.
Less than for with the US or Australia. It's mean the English requirement is around IELTS 5.5.
The university provide accommodation by any chance.
For exchange student and also for all kind of student from international partner.
Emphasize on artificial intelligence AI.
Very good question. However, if you want to learn about AI, you can choose about the IT. And the IT is very general. And from IT, they have some specific courses that you can focus on AI.